Okay, winners of the photo contest. I'm going to go off the 11 finalists. Now, there's supposed to be 10 finalists, but the two initial judges couldn't agree on one of the entries, so you can't be exclusive. So there had to be 11 instead of 10. So I'm going to go over the 10 finalists and then announce the two winners. But first I wanted to read off a message, and none of this would have been possible without Martin Brown in the UK. All of this kick-started with him trying to get some money back, and he sent me $200, and I parlayed that into a lot more money, and I got cash prizes and gift certificates, as mentioned in the photo contest from a week ago. But Martin wanted me to read a message, and by the way, Martin, I sent the two judges' entries to Martin to pick the final top three winners, first, second, third place. But he also included a famous person, Bridget Riley. She's a professional boxer and apparently a stunt double for a lot of famous movies, including Star Trek Beyond and a lot of other famous movies, a long list of which I can't remember. So thanks to Bridget Riley. So, hey, we got a famous person. A famous person that was one of the final two judges along with Martin Brown. He wanted me to read this off to you, and then I'm going to go over the 10 finalists and announce the three winners. We want to thank everyone who entered the competition for your amazing art. We had difficult choices to make, and every entry was beautiful in its own way. All very true. I personally want to thank Ken for his help, advice, and friendship, and for putting himself out for a complete stranger, meaning him. It's a pleasure to have you as a friend. Very, very nice of you. I want to thank everyone who put in additional funds to hold this competition. It's amazing that so many people came together for this cause, and you are all amazing people. To the winners, thank you for amazing us. He said that he's going to make a video tomorrow from Stonehenge with the famous, lovely, he calls her baby doll Bridget Riley. Anybody could look her up, her fight career. I looked her up. She looks like she could kick my ass in about 5 seconds. And your ass, too. So, in a good way. I mean that in a good way. Here we go. No particular order. These are the finalists. I was just calling these random things to remember them in my head. I was calling this a Japanese girl. Absolutely incredible. Dynamic range. Everything about this is just so sublime. It's a general rule that... and it's not really a rule that you don't take a picture of, and it works in so few instances. It's kind of like flare. You know, you don't want to blow out highlights, but sometimes, like if you got a person on the beach, it's like, here's where flare is wonderful. And this is a case where someone's back turned is wonderful. I've seen countless shots like these over the decades in National Geographic. Not just like this, but I mean of the same sort of, wow, I mean, it's absolutely exquisite. I call this the salt flats. I don't know what the original photographer called it. I said we have 11 finalists here, and at the end of this, I'll tell you the three winners. I've already contacted them, so I'm waiting for them to contact me back so that I could forward them the gift certificate numbers and also forward them their PayPal cash prizes. I call this the salt flats. The simplicity of this is exquisite. The composition, everything about this is absolutely sublime. This is amazing shot. This is Ibrahim. Wow. The lighting, everything about it is there's nothing lacking. It's perfection. Before I go on any further, and I've said this in every photo contest, the only thing that absolutely depresses the hell out of me about these photo contests is there's so many amazing pictures. And, you know, you end up with... And before I'd always had just one winner, and now there's three, you know, first, second, and third place. But that aspect I find highly depressing, but I guess that's looking on the dark side of things. And maybe I shouldn't say that, but I do find that depressing because there's a lot of incredible work that were submitted for the contest. I was calling this a sky paradise. Obviously, this is not what the photographer called it. He was telling me the permissions, and he had to wait a year to get this picture. It's on an island, and I looked this up, and it's amazing. There's all these tall islands built on an artificial... All these tall buildings built on an artificial island off the shore of Dubai, isn't it? Amazing. Absolutely exquisite. I mean, just look at that. This is holy hell. I would just love to have a print of that hanging on the wall. Look at this. Wow. Oh my God. And there were 3 eagle shots submitted, and they were all incredible. I mean, just look at that though. The people that took these pictures, I hate you because your pictures are so great. I meant that jokingly. It's like when you envy someone's incredible pictures, like, I hate you. Look at this. Oh my God. I've seen the story. They've got a cormorant up here. This is an old type of fisherman. They train the birds to dive down and catch the fish, and when they come back up, they take the fish out of the bird's mouth and put it in the basket. So you're literally fishing with a bird. That's a lost art. But my God, everything on this, the lighting, everything. Oh hell. Oh yeah, this is a Sentinel rock. I was looking at Ken Yeager's images after I saw this, and I was like, oh my God. His other images, but he takes a lot of stunning landscape images. You're just absolutely off the hook. Perfect reflection. Oh my God, this image doesn't even seem real. It's absolutely sublime. Oh my God. Just like and to the reflection makes it a perfect egg shape, so to say, or an obloid, and it looks like a yin and a yang of the light and the dark. Everything on this actually screams. It works on so many different levels, both conscious and unconscious. What an amazing images. Oh, this was yeah, the winnowing. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh hell, you know. Talk about the right moment, the right shot, the right everything, the right processing, everything. Everything. I was calling this, yeah, bridging the gap. I was calling it the sky bridge. I kept staring at this. I mean, all of it is beautiful. Oh, absolutely amazing. Whew. Crotch melting perfection. All these shots are like that. Yeah, concrete jungle. Man, of all the skyline stuff I've seen of New York up high, wow. Holy hell. Holy hell. That's the 11 finalists. Like I said, there had to have been 11 instead of 10 because 2 of the judges couldn't agree on one of the shots, so there had to be 11 included. So let's go off to Martin Brown and Bridget Baby Doll Riley. That's what he calls her. Maybe I shouldn't say Baby Doll. Anyway, he called her Bridget Riley. Let's go off to... And... It'd be nice if I had actually done this correctly. There we go. This is... I'm trying to find the shot. This is the third place winner called Bridging the Gap. Congratulations. I've already mentioned you as the third place winner in the video from last week. Congratulations. You win a Robert's gift certificate. I have the numbers and also PayPal. So you could use the PayPal money to buy yourself pizza and coffee and use the gift certificate to buy yourself something cool like a wireless trigger or I don't know what. It's a $100 gift certificate though. Amazing shot. So you are the third place winner as chosen by Martin Brown and Bridget. Congratulations. Congratulations, dear sir. To Eric Curson, third place winner. And let me see, second place. Yeah. That is, hold on a second. I'm finding it here. I'm finding it. Here we go. Here we go. This is to Ibrahim Alarimi. I've already contacted him. I've actually posted info below. You are for the headshot. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. Oh, man. Oh, man. Cash prize and $150 gift certificate to Robert's Camera / Use Photo Pro. They do ship internationally, too, so you're not going to have any issue with this. I want to also give a big shout out to Robert's Camera. I forwarded them X amount of money. I made all of this transparent and even posted the PayPal receipt on my Flickr page showing that I forwarded them that money, and Robert's Camera added they added an additional $150. Incredible. And then after that I got donations, so not only do I have gift certificates to give away to the top 3 winners, but also PayPal cash money so they could use however the hell they want, which is awesome. Congratulations, Ibrahim. You are the second place winner. And yeah, the third place winner here. I'm trying to remember where the shot's at. I know where the shot's at. I just don't remember where I placed stuff at. Hold on a second. Here we go. The old man with the bird. And that, that's Terje Madsen. Yeah, I'm probably mispronouncing his name. Terje Madsen. He also has some other images with the old man and the bird, as you can see up here. But this is the first place winner. Absolutely an exquisite shot. $250 gift certificate to Use Photo Pro / Robert's Camera. And also a big cash prize via PayPal to Terje. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. I apologize for that. What an awesome image. What an awesome image. All of these, like I said, the only depressing part about the photo contest, really depressing, is there's so many good images. Well, not good, incredible images. So misnomer there on my part. I really wanted to give a big thanks out to Martin Brown. If it wasn't for his sending me that money and me being able to parlay it into more money and your donations, then this made this, I think, a really wonderful photo contest. And like I said, Martin and Bridget picked from the top 11 finalists. They went over it over and over again. And so those are your 3 winners. First place to Terje. Or to Terje, excuse me. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name once again. I want to say thanks to everybody for entering the photo contest. Let me see. I'm going to post up here. Like I said, for pure transparency purposes, this is the copy of the PayPal that I sent to Robert's Camera, of which they tacked on an additional $150. So, for full transparency's sake, it's not like, hey, send me some free gift certificates. I actually did forward them the money. I like things to be really transparent, that way there's nobody like going, hey, there's something sneaky afoot here. Because there's always, let's just admit it, there's always 1 or 2 people out there that think that stuff, and that's not good. So there's the copy on my Flickr page for full transparency's sake. But I also want to thank Roberts and all you that made donations. So first it was Martin with his 200, and then I parlayed that with Robert's Camera, tack on another 150, and then there were more cash prizes. Those are all to be given away to the first, second, and third finalists, and you could follow up with them too, because I will send them the gift certificate number as well as the PayPal donation immediately as soon as they contact me, whether that be today or next hour or tonight or tomorrow morning. They will get it immediately without delay. I don't believe in winning a photo contest, which I've never won. I used to enter contests, not photo contests, but enter contests, and not that I did, but I hear other people win stuff and they have to wait to get their prize. What the hell with that? I want to give it to somebody immediately. If you win it, you should get it immediately. That's the way all contests should be. It's like if you win something, you should get it immediately. The prize, in this case, it is cash and gift certificates. I really want to say thanks to everybody for entering. There were a lot of entries. A lot. Wow, all these pictures are amazing. I said that's the depressing aspect of the photo contest, is that so many good entries. I mean, look at that shot. Darn. All of them. Just incredible. Thank you so much for watching. I know I flapped my lips too much. That's what I'm always guilty of. People will be typing out to me, shut up, get to the point. Okay. I nailed the point. At least I think I did. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great week. And thank you to Martin and everybody for everything. And Robert's Camera. Thank you so much. Bless you.